Hello guys, still day 2 in Redmond, Oregon, and I just realized something. So I was going through my old videos and adding them to playlists, and created a rants playlist, because trust me, there will be plenty and plenty of rants. And I don't know, what, what is, what was that, what, well, anyway, I was scrolling through and I realized I haven't made Random Facts 3 yet. I mean, sorry guys, how could I ever let you down like that? I haven't made a Random Facts 3 yet, and I'm sorry I am, so. Hi. This is my grandfather.
This is my favorite grandson. Love you.
Love you. Yeah, it's going out of the video. So.
Don't delete that one.
Alright. So, here it is. Random fact 1. I'm in Redmond, Oregon. Random fact 2 is I love the snow. I absolutely love the snow. My dad hates it. I look just like my dad. I act just like my dad. But we do bump heads over a lot of things. But I love snow. He doesn't. My sister, she was the one in my video earlier. That was my biological sister. Out of my one sister and 7 brothers. I don't know what should be the 4th fact. I honestly cannot. Oh, Ozzy, the dog that was in day 2 in Redmond, Oregon randomness. Ozzy, he is pretty much my dog whenever I'm here, because he lives here with my grandparents, but whenever I'm here, of course he like pays attention to them, and he mostly goes with them. So I'll like call him, I'll like Ozzy, and he'll come like gunning it down the hall to come sit with me, unless my grandparents are in the room. Then he'll follow them around. He loves playing ball. He's very intelligent dog. I think that was fact 5. They also, another random fact. I'm just gonna keep saying another random fact. I don't know. I'll edit. I'll put in some annotations for it to be. But another random fact. You guys probably figured this, but they have a cat too. They actually, one just passed, which is sad, but they have another cat named Nutmeg. The one that passed was Frisco. They had Frisco. I've known Frisco since I was little, like yay high. Now I'm about yay high. Been knowing Frisco since I was about yay high, right here. So yeah, it's really sad. But another random fact: I am excellent at cooking. Actually, tomorrow I'm going to be cooking. I'm too lazy to show you guys. Tomorrow I'm going to be cooking either chorizo. Yeah, I don't know why I can pronounce that. Chorizo burrito, or I'll be making a delicious fiery southwestern enchilada. Uh, don't know. I think that was fact about fact 6 or 7. But another random fact. I can get so much hate for this. I like Coca-Cola better than Pepsi. It's just me. I like Coca-Cola better than Pepsi. Can get so much hate for. Can get so much hate for that. And it sucks. Another random fact. You all probably figured this from my lack of editing. I'm lazy. I am lazy, and I'm proud. One of the perks of being American. Get to be lazy. I'm kidding. I'm also gonna get hate for that, for saying that. I kind of wish I didn't say that. Yeah, that's great. Another thing is, I've had 3 different dogs in my life that I've owned. This is weird. One was named Gooch because of its previous owner. That's all he would respond to, so he had to call him Gooch. And how all of them went. He got really sick and died, and how he. No. I'll tell you guys stories. I'll tell you guys stories in individual videos. I've had 3 dogs. One was named Gooch. One was named Porkchop, and one was named King, and his nickname was Tic Tac. Because I just love Tic Tacs. That sounded wrong. I like the candy Tic Tacs. The mints. Wow, 5 minutes, 40 seconds in. Alright, we're done. No, seriously though, but, again, thank you guys so much. I feel like dying on the inside. But I thank you guys so much for the support. Again, shout out to BSR, Enigma, Ashley Knott, and Nathaniel Shin, Eric Bassett. I think I'll be making some story time videos later today, just because. Guys, help me. I'm trying. Donate thousands of dollars to Keandre. Take 23. I can also be revived by subs. Subscribe, please. Tell your friends. That your other friend is dying. Oh God, I need a cough drop.